What's up, lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to apply a date slicer in Power BI. So first of all, we will require some kind of data, and the data that we are going to use is a online retail data set. You can see over here. So the dataset that we are going to use is a online retail dataset. This dataset is already used by us in our previous video. So in this dataset there is a column called invoice date. So this column is going to be very useful for us in our today's session. So let's jump onto our Power BI window and let's see how to apply a date slicer in Power BI. So first of all, you have to select the slicer and drag it onto the task window, or just double click on it. So you can see over here the slicer is taking place. So after that, you just have to go to the online retail dataset. I have already fetched this dataset in Power BI. You just have to take the invoice date column and drag it onto the slicer, and you can see a default format for the date is taking place over here. So how this works? So for this we are going to make a simple visualization in our Power BI. So let's say we would like to see the quantity as per the country. So I have selected the quantity and country column to make this visualization, and you can see when I move this between point over here, there are changes are taking place into the particular graph. So if you do something over here, the changes are going to be take place in your graph. And in this date slicer there are various formats available, or like we are applying over here between. For now we are using over here between. You can have a before as well. In this you just have to select the before date. I'm going to select it like 6/8/2011, or you can select it from here as well. You just have to go to the calendar and simply you can select your particular date, and you can see the changes are going to taking place over here. After that you can apply the date from the after as well. For example, after which date you have to select. So I'm going to select like I'm going to select the October 14 one, let's say. So you can see that changes are taking place over here. After that the fourth option is the list one. You can also have a date of list, but this will be very difficult because there are numerous dates are available in our particular data set. So we can't use this list because we are having numerous dates in our data set. So after that, the next option is the drop down. This option is also not very feasible because just now only I said there are numerous dates are available in our data set. So this option is also not going to be work, but for some other slicer you can use this option. After that, relative date is also there and relative time is also there. Like for some kind of relative date you can put on your date and you can apply onto your graph, and same thing you can do with the timing as well. So this is all about how to apply a date slicer in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.